Good evening, junkies. Welcome to EminiJunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Wednesday, February 22nd, 2012. This morning we had a total of 2 executable KISS signals for a max potential of -5 ES ticks per contract traded. This video is for educational purposes only, is intended to highlight our high probability KISS trade setups and give you a feel for the number of trades taken each morning in our live room. Our full trading plan, educational DVDs, and trading room access can be found on our website at EminiJunkie.com. Okay, immediately right after the open this morning we actually had a signal to get long, and that did produce a quick bite of 4 ticks to the upside. And we were actually in a very choppy environment. On the next signal we actually had a signal to get short, and we pushed down into a support zone, and we actually in the room called for the members to go ahead and take profit on this level when it pushed down to this 56.25 area. But for the video here, we're going to assume that you didn't take profit, you were holding on to full profit potential, and you actually got stopped out of this for a total of a 9-tick loser. Now at that point we said we were waiting because of this range. It formed almost like a diamond pattern, and we were waiting for this trend line on the lower edge or the upper edge to break down or break up. And on the breakdown we were looking to get short, or on the breakout we were looking to get long on the retest. Now what happened here, there was actually a KISS long signal, and this trade came down and it was taking quite a bit of a heat, and then it started pushing back up, got within 2 ticks of its winner, but then at the same time there was a signal to get short. So I went ahead and marked these trades on the chart so you could see that there was a KISS long signal, and if you were in it you got an opposite signal, the opposite direction, and you would have scratched out of this trade. Now if you kept this trade and held on to it all the way through the breakdown, and you were trading when, you know, in the room we were mentioning not to, you would count that as a 9-tick loss on top of the 5. So if you took this trade, you would have been actually an additional 9 ticks on the negative side, so you could just count that as 3 KISS trades for -14 if you didn't scratch out or go the opposite direction. However, if you did scratch out that trade for break even and get short on your next signal, that went on for a winner of 11 ticks to the downside. So in actuality you could have ended up on the plus side today had you scratched out, taken the other trade. But I'm just going to go ahead and count it as the 2 trades where we basically called a stop in the room, and we're going to go with 2 KISS trades for -5 ES ticks. So if you do understand that, you do understand the KISS trades, even on this original short, if you were waiting for a breakdown of the trend line, that signal actually came right here at about 11:24 at an entry of 57.75. So there is yet one other area where you could have gotten short on a pattern breakdown, and that was the one that really paid off. And in fact, that's what we were looking for in the room, and that happened heading right into the dead zone, and that is the breakdown and the things that a lot of the people hanging out in the room ended up taking and avoided these 3 trades here altogether. So I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including all the chart setups, or to join our live trading room and video newsletter, please visit EminiJunkie.com or simply click the link at the top of the screen. Thanks, and make it a great day.